Assalamualaikum, salam jumpa, salam sehat dan salam sejahtera untuk sahabat semua ya. Oke, project kali ini kita kedatangan satu unit spreader baja ya, ataupun alat penabur pupuk. Nah, yang biasanya ini dikolaborasikan dengan traktor ataupun traktor 4 roda ya, yang kondisinya dia punya tapak kipas propelernya ya. Ini sudah reput ya sobatku ya, kita bisa lihat bersama-sama. Dan kipasnya ini bautnya semua pada lepas ya. Oke, kita akan coba repair kembali ya ini, ataupun kita akan benerin alat ini agar dapat dipergunakan kembali ya sobatku ya. Oke, langsung saja kita simak bersama-sama. Cekidot. Oke sobatku, ini piringannya saya sudah buatkan baru ya. Ini saya sudah buatkan baru. Nah, ini yang plate-nya sudah rusak ya seperti ini. Nah, ini saya potong ini pakai gerinda ya. Nah, ini kita pasang propelernya dulu ya, ini kipasnya ya sobatku. Seperti ini. Nah, kita pasang dulu.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to...
Ya, jadi lebih kurangnya seperti ini ya sobatku, dia punya kipasnya ya, kipas propelernya ini. Ini saya sudah ketatkan. Nah, nanti tinggal pemasangan ini ya pada gearboxnya. Nah, seperti ini. Kemudian baru kita packing ataupun welding ya area sini ya sobatku.
human being, cover them with tattoos. Do you you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Oke sobatku, ini sudah siap ya dia punya untuk baja ya, ataupun fertilizer dengan menggunakan traktor. Nah, ini saya sudah melakukan pemasangan semua. Kipasnya pun sudah, tapak kipas sudah saya tukar ya. Keropos pun saya sudah tukar ya sobatku. Nah, ini seperti ini ya. Nah, nanti ini dipusirkan oleh PTO. Nah, seperti itu. Nah, ini dia punya PTO nya ya sobatku. Nah, ini PTO nya nanti masuk ke sana tuh. Oke, lebih kurangnya seperti itu cara propeler ya, ataupun mengganti dia punya piringannya ya, ini ya nanti besok kita try ya seperti apa dia punya performanya ya sobatku. Oke, lebih seperti itu. Saya saat ini undur diri. Jumpa lagi di video-video kami berikutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.